Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete a Tinder account. So you have a Tinder account that you use for online dating or for some other reason. Now you want to delete that account because you don't use that account anymore, or there's some other reason you want to delete that account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to delete a Tinder account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to delete your Tinder account is open the Tinder application. If you don't have the Tinder application, what you can do is you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store according to your mobile device. So once you have the Tinder application, what you want to do is open the application. Once you open the application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. If not, go ahead and log into the account that you want to delete. Once you log into the account, you'll see an interface like this. Now here in the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon or your account icon, so tap on that icon. Once you do that, you'll land in the profile interface of your Tinder account. So what you need to do here is tap on the settings option. So once you tap on the settings option, in order to delete your account, what you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. So once you scroll down to the bottom of the page, here you'll see an option labeled as delete account. You'll see a button labeled as delete account. So to delete a Tinder account, what you need to do is tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, Tinder will ask you whether you want to pause your Tinder account or you want to completely permanently delete your Tinder account. So choose one of those options. Read here what is the difference between pausing your account and deleting your account. I'll continue with deleting my account, so I'll press on delete my account option. Once you tap on delete my Tinder account option, you will have the option to choose why you want to delete your Tinder account, or what you can do is simply skip, so I'll skip for now. Once you choose one of those options, once you choose why you want to delete your account or skip, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here what you need to do in order to delete your account is simply read this information, then tap on delete my account, or again if you want to pause account, tap on pause my account. So to delete account, what you want to do is tap on delete my account button. Once you do that, you'll successfully delete a Tinder account permanently. So those are the simple steps in order to delete a Tinder account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.